So here I'm starting with priming my face with Color Burr primer, and I'm putting it all over my face. Then I'm using my Maybelline concealer, Maybelline Fit Me concealer, to outline my eyebrows. I always prefer doing my eyes first. Now with a brush, I'm blending the concealer. Then with my Maybelline eyeshadow palette, Maybelline Nudes eyeshadow palette, I'm filling up my eyebrows. Again with the same concealer, I am making a base. I'm priming my eyelid. And again I'm blending the concealer all over my eyelid. This priming helps to give the eyeshadow the proper color and to set down properly. Now with the powder that I have from this Wet n Wild contour palette, I will be setting the primer. Now I will be using this Huda Rose Gold palette. You can use any black shade, any black color from whichever eyeshadow palette you have. So I will be using this Black Truffle from this Huda Rose Gold palette, and I will put it all over my eyelid. No proper shape is needed for this. You can put it as you like. See how I am looking. Now with the henna, with the color henna, I will start blending the black color on my crease. I am putting this on my crease as a transition shade. The more you will blend your eyeshadow, the better it will look. So always blend the eyebrows very nicely so that no harsh lines will be there. See, again I'm blending and blending and blending. The eyeshadow is totally a game of blending. The better you blend, the better it will look. Now I'm taking the shade Sandalwood to make the transition very natural. So you can take any light brown shade, whichever palette you have, from whichever palette you want. You can take a light brown shade to give a nice soft transition to your eyeshadow. I'm looking just like a devil, you know. Just see my eyes, and with no makeup on my face, my eyes look horror. Now I will use this foundation of mine, L'Oreal Infallible Stay Fresh Foundation 24 hours. I use the shade 140, that is Golden Beige, and I'm putting it all over my face and neck also. Again I'm back to this palette, and I'm using the black shade with a flat brush to put it on my lower lid. Again I took this shade, light brown shade that I have, and giving a smoky finishing to my eyes, blending it nicely with this color henna. Now I just took a brush. This is a blending brush, and this brush don't have any color on it. any eyeshadow on it. I'm just using this brush to blend my eyeshadow nicely and properly. Okay, yeah, I think I'm done. Now I'm using my same concealer that I have used previously to conceal my under eyes, my nose tape, my cupid, and on my forehead. And I forgot to put my lip balm, so I have put it now. So I'm blending my concealer now. Make sure to blend the concealer only at the places that you have put. Don't spread it all over your face. Now I'm blending it again and again, because that's what I told you. Eyeshadow is completely game of blending. The better you blend, the better it will come out. Okay. Now I will be using the same powder to bake my face. So I have put this powder exactly on the places that I have put concealer. Now with the same palette I am contouring my face. I will make a separate video for how to do contouring and use concealer and highlighter. So yes, contouring it, my face. And always make sure to put your contouring and blend it on your hairline. Take your contour to your hairline so it will look very natural. Now I'm dusting off the powder, extra powder that I've used to bake my face. Now I'm using this MAC Candy Yum Yum lipstick for my blush. You can use, it's not necessary that you always have to use blush, proper blush, blusher to use as a blush. You can use any lipstick which is in pink shade or a peach shade for your blush. Now I'm using this Kylie Cosmetic lipstick shade Bunny. Yes. Okay. Now I will be using this Plum Kajal. This is one of my favorite kajal. I am putting it exactly on my lower waterline. And see, this kajal that I have put on my lower waterline, this completely changed my look, and this gave a proper finish to my eyeshadow. So yeah, I again took a plain brush with no color on it just to blend my eyeshadow properly. Now I will be using my Revolution Shimmer Brick Radiant highlighter to put it on all my high points. I forgot to do my nose contouring, so I'm doing it right now. And highlighter is a thing that you should put on your cheekbones, on your nose tips, on your cupid zone. With a pointed brush, I'm using it on my brow bone and on the inner corner of my eyes. So yeah, I'm nearby done with my makeup. I'm just curling my eyelashes, and I will be using this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. So I'm done with my makeup, and I will get back soon with my falsies and with my complete dress up. So hope you all have liked this video with smoky eyes and nude lips. Do like, share and subscribe if you have really liked this video.